A great way to gain followers, promote your business or service, is to start a room by yourself and be a moderator. You're the speaker and you have the ability to add or remove other speakers. Other people will raise hands and you will get notifications so you can either approve or dismiss a request. Creating a room or event is a great opportunity to share your knowledge, your passion for your idea or business, and tell people in general what you do. You can remind people to visit your profile and read your bio. This is a way to connect with your customers and get feedback. Clubhouse has started as an expert club, and this also gives you an opportunity to establish yourself as an expert in your field. If you didn't have much success with other social media presence, but you like to speak, then Clubhouse is the right app to be on. Clubhouse fosters networking, and you can really leverage this opportunity to use the app in its early stages of development and create larger following. So how can you start a room? At the bottom center of your screen, and you would just click Start a Room. You have 3 options. It can be either open, social, or closed room. If it's a closed room, then you would just start a room with people you choose to. It can be either your friends or your coworkers. A social room is only includes people that you follow. So if you have a smaller following, that you would only have those people in that room. Since Clubhouse is a social networking app, then the best is to create a room that is open to everyone. At the top, there is an option to add a topic. So you would just click Add Topic, and you would describe what this room is about. So if it's about business, then you would just write business and opportunities. And you would just click Set Topic. And just like that, you have your first room set up. At the top right, you see 3 dots. If you click on it, you will see that you can either search your room or end your room. But we will not do this for now. We just click Cancel. At the bottom right, you see a microphone, and if you click on it, then you can mute yourself. So if you have more speakers, if you're currently not speaking, then you would mute yourself. There's a plus sign, and if you click on it, you can add someone, ping someone to the room, or share this event if you want to. And there's also, right next to the plus sign, there's an icon which shows who have raised their hand, and then you can approve the requests here. Since this is a trial room, we'll end it, so you would just click on Leave Quietly, and that's it. When you're a host, there are some things to keep in mind. Great moderators are thoughtful about who they want to speak. You should include different people with different backgrounds, personalities. That will definitely make your room more fun to other listeners. You should be active. Speakers are different, and some will speak more, while others will be more reserved. Try to be an active contributor, and by asking questions, try to speed up the pace or change the topic if you see that the conversation has gone in a different direction. Mute others if necessary. Sometimes speakers leave the mics on, which causes echo and disrupts the entire listening experience. As a moderator, you have the ability to mute their mics if necessary. Tap their profile photo and mute them. Ping others if you see that the room is too small. Invite as many people as possible before, but also add people once the room has started. Choose from different room formats. You can just have one speaker or host a panel style room, or just do a podcast style. It's really up to you and the topic of your conversation. Try to make it more fun and engaging for both speakers and listeners. And if necessary, remove speakers from room. If you see that someone is being disrespectful or sharing inappropriate language, remove that person from the room. If your following is small, that is totally okay. Your followers may join the room, but once the room is created, everyone can see it, and others will join too. Hence, it will create new audience. As a room host, you can ask your followers to share your event with other followers, which will immediately increase your visibility.